Students, we will go through chapter 15, Melodious Music. In this chapter, we will learn about some musical instruments. You have to identify the musical instruments which were given here. The first one is guitar. The first one is guitar. The second one is drums. The second one is drums. And the third one is piano. The third one is piano. The fourth one is violin. The fourth one is violin. The fifth one is trumpet. The fifth one is trumpet. The sixth one is flute. The sixth one is flute. In this section B, they have given few questions and you have to find out the answers. Take this quiz to see how much you know about music. Take the correct answer. The first question, what is a group of musicians who play together called? Answer is band. Second one, what are the words of a song called? Answer is lyrics. What is a song sung by two singers called? Duet. Answer is duet. Fourth one, which instrument comes in three types: acoustic, bass and electric? Answer is guitar. Answer is guitar. Fifth one is, what is the name of this triangle piece of plastic used to strum guitars? Answer is pick. Answer is pick. Sixth one, what is the stick used to play a violin called? Bow. Answer is bow. In this section C, you have to identify the pictures given here. Look at the pictures and identify these people from the Indian music industry. Write the correct answer in the boxes. Picture number 1. Can you identify this person? Answer is Zakir Hussain. Answer is Zakir Hussain. Second one, can you identify this person? This person is Javed Akhtar. This person is Javed Akhtar. Can you identify the third image? That person is Ilayaraja. That person is Ilayaraja. Can you identify the fourth image? Answer is Neha Kakkar. Answer is Neha Kakkar. Can you identify the fifth image? That is Amit Trivedi. He is Amit Trivedi. Can you identify the sixth image? The sixth one is Nidhi Mohan. The sixth one is Nidhi Mohan. Can you identify the seventh image? The seventh one is Kailash Kher. The seventh one is Kailash Kher. Can you identify the eighth image? Can you identify the eighth image? Eighth one is Rahed Fateh Ali Khan. Rahed Fateh Ali Khan. And the last one is, can you identify the last person? The last one is Monali Thakur. The last one is Monali Thakur. Train your brain. Can you unscramble the letters to make words related to music? Can you unscramble the first word? That is rhythm. That is rhythm. Second one is beta. Second one is beta. And the third one is chorus. Third one is chorus. Fourth one is concrete. Fourth one is concrete. Fifth one is genre. Fifth one is genre. And sixth one is melody. Sixth one is melody. Students, we will go through chapter 16, work people do. Chapter 16, work people do. In this section, we will learn about some professions and the professionals. The first question, I look after people's teeth. I am a dash, dentist. Question number 1, I look after people's teeth. I am a dash, dentist. Answer is dentist. Question number 2, I sell medicines, bandages and other medical supplies. I am a dash, chemist. Answer is chemist. Third one, I take your order in a restaurant and bring your food. I am a waiter. Answer is waiter. Fourth one, I help people plan their holidays. I am a dash, travel agent. Travel agent. Fifth one, I write articles and read news on television. I am a dash, journalist. I am a journalist. Sixth one, I design buildings. I am an architect. I am an architect. Seventh one, I take care of the books in a library. I am a dash, librarian. I am a librarian. I work in a salon where I cut and style people's hair. I am a dash, hairdresser. I am a hairdresser. In the section B, they have given the pictures of some prominent personalities in India. You have to identify the picture. The first one is Kalpana Chawla, and can you identify the profession of Kalpana Chawla? Answer is astronaut. Answer is astronaut. APJ Abdul Kalam. Answer is scientist. Chetan Bhagat. Answer is writer. Fourth one, Imtiaz Ali. Answer is director. He is a film director. Fifth one, Terence Lewis. Answer is he is a dancer. He is a dancer. Sixth one is Akhil Ali. He is a DJ. He is a DJ. Seventh one is Diba Karamkar. Diba Karamkar. She is a gymnast. She is a gymnast. Eighth one is Anna Hazare. He is a social activist. He is a social activist. Ninth one is Sushma Swaraj. She is a politician. She is a politician. Students, we have finished all your portions for your GK second sem exam. The portions will be from chapter 8 to 16. Study well and write your exam very well.